I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me. I can even go to sleep. I'm rolling on a beam. They try to give me a got on my knees like Jesus, please.
This wig is from RPGHair. It is a curly wig. Never really tried a short curly wig. All the details on this unit will be down below in the description bar. Okay, so you guys, this is the hair on my head. All I did was add some water to it, and this is it. I actually really like this. This is honestly my first short curly wig that I'm trying, but I like this. I like how it looks. It's cute. Yep, this is the hair. It looks good, right? So just now I was laying the baby hairs down, but I just wanted to show you guys how natural, like how freaking natural this lace looks. So like all that is the lace. It's not down on my head or anything like that, but just look when I put it against my skin how like flawless it blends in. It gives you the illusion of your skin, you know. So I kind of wanted to show you guys that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut off this excess lace right here, so right here can lay flat behind my ears. And so all of this right here I'm just going to cut. And now bam, that lays behind my ears like that, and there, just pull it down. I did the same exact step on the other side of the lace. This is hella cute. Now it's time to work on the back of this unit. So this is what the back looks like. Now what I'm going to do is this clip here. As you guys see, we have a little comb right there. I honestly can't even see the back of my head, so you guys, I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. But I'm just showing you guys what I normally do when I'm pinning up my 360 lace frontal wigs. I hope you guys see this comb right here. What I normally do is I literally take it and stick it in the back of my hair, just like that. So once you have that sticked in now, then all those little baby hairs that you pulled out, I normally just take them. Over here I'm gonna fix after, I really can't see, but I normally just take all those baby hairs and literally pull them down. Like, that's literally all I do, you guys. Just play in them. Play around the edges because you want it to look as natural as possible. So just play in it until that shit is looking how you want it to look. So literally that's really all I do. You always want to like plane in and pull those baby hairs out in the back before you actually go ahead and try to tie the hair out. So now what I'm going to do, since I've done that, is I'm going to tilt my head over and try to like get all the hair in a ponytail. I'm trying to grab, as you guys know, I don't have my frontal lobe glued down right now. I only have the middle there held down with the Gatsby gel. So I'm just trying to grab all the hair. You don't want to pull on the hair too hard and your whole unit comes up, especially if you do not have it glued down like I do right now. So I'm just trying to grab it little by little, and this is going to be a messy bun, you guys. So keep grabbing it little by little until your ponytail is high enough for you, I would say. So keep grabbing and keep tucking it back down as you grab it. And there. Now what I'm going to do is lay back down my edges. You guys already see the back is laid. Literally all I have to do is just lay the sides of this unit down and we're good to go, sis. I'm gonna use the black one to lay the edges and stuff down. Also, I normally always use the black one to lay like the baby hairs and stuff. I just find like the yellow one is way more tackier than the black one. So the black one is easier to work with on your edges and it's also easier to remove. I'm just gonna lay some of those hairs right there down. Shave it a little bit so it's not so long. Kind of shave it all off, buddy. That's fine. And this is pretty much it, you guys. So this is really how I would pin up my 360 lace front wig. Super easy to do. I'm going to turn around again and show you guys the back of the hair and what it looks like. So I feel like this is an easier way to apply your units without using any glue or any adhesive on your hair whatsoever. Also, I don't like putting, like literally I would never put glue on the nape area of my hair just because I have curly hair, you guys. So I'm not trying to lose the hair in the back there at all. It's like really easy for me to do, and also I'm not damaging my hair whatsoever, you know. Like I said, I'll have all the details on this unit down below in the description bar. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.